So, I mean, you're talking about goals. I mean, where do you see yourself in your business in 20 years?
Wow. So where I see myself in 20 years, in 20 years, I'm still going to be helping people. I'm still
Mhm.
going to be, real estate obviously been around way before us, right? And I think real estate is going to be around way after us, right?
Yeah.
So, and obviously there's always individuals that want to learn real estate. So this is something that I'm really passionate about. This
Mhm.
is something that I really love to teach because I love to see people win. And
Mhm.
so with that being said, I 100% see myself educating, and I set up some type of, I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to set up some type of way where it's the whole model where you kind of come in, you graduate, right?
Mhm.
When you graduate, you get access to funding, you get access to deal flow, right? And we all work together to actually set you up the way
Mhm.
that you need to be set. So I want a one-stop shop.
Nice.
I want you to come through my door, and I want you to go through the boot camp, right? Once you get through the boot camp, you get you know um, basically like the golden ticket where you
Mhm.
are got you're accessible now to all these things, right? And then it just makes the process that much easier and make you get in. Hopefully, it don't discourage a whole bunch of folks. Because people get discouraged with their credit, people get
Mhm.
discouraged not having enough money or thinking they don't have enough money.
Mhm.
Because some people don't got the personality to go out and find
Mhm.
other ways to get money and stuff like that. So that's where I see myself in 20 years, and also just one of the and that's the I'm gonna stop there. That's where I see myself.